Bitcoin. This pattern played out perfectly. If you watched my video from yesterday, I talked about how we had a drop and there was some kind of rising compression, ascending wedge pattern playing out. And that normally means that there's going to be more movement to the downside. And it's not to say that the markets are going to crash, but when you have this kind of pattern playing out, the general rule of thumb is that the price will revisit the base of the structure, which is around about here. So I drew this circle here. And yeah, that's played out, so we can delete that now. And yeah, I guess this is for those people that say that trading analysis doesn't work. It does. It's just calculated, and it doesn't work every time. But anyway, going back to just zooming out, we're still in a downtrend. I'm not panicking. I don't think this is the bear market, because if you look at the weekly chart, we're still in this uptrend. We're still within these bands until this breaks. Like if we hit like 96k, that's when I'll be more bearish. Still short-term bearish, because I still think that there's a long way to go here. But yeah, this is looking good. And I just want to follow this in real time with you guys. As soon as we break this trend line, that's when the markets will start to go up again. If we overlay my strategy, the red line is still above the green line, so we're still good. There's no need to panic. If we look at the macro picture, this is the overnight reverse repurchase agreements. This is a chart that I've been talking about since 2022. Like if you've been following my stuff, and you can see we had these trend lines. Well, I had these trend lines drawn here, and we were just waiting for this to fall. And then it started to finally fall in 2023, and that's when the market started to pump. And until this chart starts to go up, like until we have some kind of big movement like that, I'm going to remain bullish, because when that starts happening, that means the big banks and institutions, they know that the markets, they're probably not as profitable. There's too much risk involved, and they don't want to risk it. And if you look at the S&P 500, that's gone on a tear. I remember when the price was down here, I was saying to people, some of my clients that I was talking to, look, don't panic. This is going to rebound. And you've really got to look at past patterns and see when there's a big drop, it's always like a V reversal. So we've only pumped like 37% so far. If we look at how much we pumped from the COVID crash, it's a good 100%. So really, I wouldn't be surprised if this goes all the way up here. I mean, it's very possible. I'm just going to put that down as a prediction, and we'll see what happens. Gold has hit all new all-time highs again. This can't even chart this one. Who knows where it's going to go, but it's a good thing if you have gold. Yeah, I drew this trend line here, so yeah, we should continue to go up. But yeah, don't panic, people. The pump is still on. Alt season is not here yet, but don't worry, it will come. I'm not going to promise, but it will come. We just need more patience, that's all.